On this episode, I'll show you how to make sun prints like this one I made with leaves and a frond I found in my neighborhood. I assembled the project inside away from sunlight. I placed a sheet of sunprint paper blue side up on a piece of cardboard. Then I arranged the frond and leaves on the sunprint paper and placed the provided acrylic sheet over my arrangement. I took my arrangement outside and placed it in full sunlight. You can see the paper slowly changing from blue to almost white. This can take between 1 to 5 minutes depending on how bright the sun is when you do it. Back inside out of the sun, I remove the frond and leaves and rinse the paper under running water. You can see the paper change in color as it rinses. Lay the paper flat to dry. I placed the acrylic sheet on the paper thinking it would keep the paper from curling. That didn't work. Oops! A little of the paper towel I used to dry the paper is on the print, but it comes off easily. Allow the paper to dry overnight. There will be curling, but you can flatten it once it's completely dry. Visit our website for more information about the Super Sunprint kit I used.